Hello, student. We have studied about what makes an election democratic. Now, today we are going to study about challenges to free and fair elections. In India, mostly the elections are free and fair, but there are some challenges to free and fair elections. So now let's start. The first challenge related to the money means some of the candidates and party with a lot of money and not be sure of their victory, but they do enjoy a big and unfair advantage over smaller political parties and independent. Means the party and candidate which has more money, they use its money to get the vote from the voters. They use their they misuse their money to get the vote, and I think that they enjoy some unfair advantage over the smaller political party and independent candidates. In some part of the country, candidates with criminal connection have been able to push others out of electoral race and secure a ticket from major parties. Another problem related to the criminal connection mind people means in some of the area of India, some criminal minded uh, get the ticket from the big political parties. This is a problem with all the big political parties. Means all the big political parties mostly give ticket to those who are the criminal minded. Means main motive of political party is to win election. So they give ticket to those only those who is able to means whose possibility is more to win the election. So this is another problem. Some families tend to dominate political parties. Tickets are distributed to relatives from these families. Another most important problem means some of the political parties means dominated by their families. Mostly, the ticket is given to those who are near and dear and a relative of these political party. Means other peoples are ignored. Those who may be good leaders, but the mostly ticket is given to those who are their relative, near and dear. So this is another problem. Another problem. Very often elections offer little choice to ordinary citizens. For both, the major parties are quite similar to each other, both in policies and practice. This is mostly happen in those countries which have two party system. This is not happen in India because in India there is a multi party system, and mostly UK and the developed country where the two party systems means both the parties have same policies and practices. So at that time ordinary people have no choice because same policies and program are there. Smaller parties and independent candidates suffer a huge disadvantage as compared to bigger party. Yes, because bigger party have lot of money, lot of supports from the people, other people side. But those who are the smaller party and independent party, for that candidate, those who are independent, it is very difficult to win the election because all the major political party has lot of support from people side and other leader side, and I think that from money side also. So for today it is enough. Thank you.